Now, after 3 years of making money online and earning a full-time income as a teenager, I can tell you that the best way to make money online is through doing... Okay, making money online. It's like solving this Rubik's Cube. You keep trying different methods and feel like you're only moving further and further away from your goal, but in reality, you are only a few moves away. One final move, and everything just clicks. Now, since I was 15 years old, I have been obsessed with making money online. And I have spent the last 3 years straight learning everything that I possibly can about building an online income. I have tried every online business that you can think of and have been lucky enough to now make a full-time income strictly online. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that I've learned in the last 3 years. So instead of spending years trying to learn just like I did, you will be fully equipped to start making money online as a teenager right after watching this video. Now, I'm not selling anything, I don't have a course, there's no links in the description to buy anything, this is 100% free, so with that out the way, let's get into it. Now, the basis of making money, especially online, is selling something. You need someone to pay, because that's where the money comes from, and that's how you're going to actually make a profit. I see way too many people trying to overcomplicate this, but in reality, people are always buying. You just need to sell something that's worthy of them pulling out their credit card. Now, you may have heard of Shopify dropshipping using AliExpress and Instagram and Facebook ads and all that, and hearing all of that information at once is definitely pretty daunting. For me, dropshipping was my personal golden key into making money online, and I'm going to run through exactly how you can do the same thing in a minute. But first, I want to teach you a few other ways to make money online, which I have personally done to make thousands of dollars. So let's get into that first. Now, firstly, this one piece of advice has been a major key in my journey of making money online, and that is to do something that you enjoy. Now, don't worry, this video isn't going to be me sharing inspirational life advice and wisdom, because I'm well aware that you are all very tired of that. I am going to be sharing genuine step-by-step strategies, but I just wanted to point out the fact that if you are doing what you love, you are going to be so much more successful at it. So instead of watching this video and focusing purely on what makes the most money, also try and think about what you would genuinely want to do. Now, this is quite standard and broad, and don't worry, I will go into more specific detail, but if you are knowledgeable about something, then you can make an absolute killing by educating people on that. For example, you could start a YouTube channel, teach people in Facebook groups, or even use websites like Upwork and Fiverr to sell your services, which you know that you are good at. If you have a hobby that you already do in your spare time, getting paid to do this for someone else is amazing, and the best part is that you're actually going to enjoy doing it. For me, I have been doing this for years. Whether it's creating logos on Photoshop for people, making promotional videos, building custom Shopify dropshipping websites, I have sold a lot of services. And from doing stuff like this alone, I have made tens of thousands of dollars, and I'm not even kidding. I actually did freelancing in a challenge where I turned 1 cent into $1,000 online. And after making our initial few $100s from freelancing, I invested that money into a Shopify dropshipping store, and we were able to end the challenge at nearly $1,200. That leaves us with a grand total to end episode 3 at $1,182 US. Let's go! Which was an amazing proof of concept that this stuff still does work, and you don't need any money to start out your online business journey. Now, I love releasing tutorials and challenges for you guys, and all I ask in return is that you consider hitting the subscribe button and taking out all of that pent-up aggression on the like button. But what I found through freelancing is that the most effective way to get customers is through using Facebook groups. When I was selling my service of building a custom Shopify dropshipping website, I would join e-commerce Facebook groups, offer a bunch of free advice in the comment section of almost every single post in the group. And through doing that, a lot of members started to recognize me as the person who offers free value in the comment section, and from that, I got a lot of private messages from people asking for further help, which is where I offered to build them a custom Shopify dropshipping website for a fee. I knew that when they paid me, they were genuinely getting their entire money's worth and were being truly helped out, so helping people in Facebook groups was 100% a win-win. Now, this strategy just comes down to providing free value and then eventually charging for your expertise. Whether you are great at playing guitar, build awesome logos on Photoshop, record amazing voiceovers, whatever it might be, you can 100% charge for this, and you can actually make a pretty solid income from that as well. Remember that it's not about making the most money, it's actually about enjoying making your money. And when you freelance and you are selling something that you usually do as a hobby, you're pretty much guaranteed to enjoy it. Now, if you don't know what type of service you could sell, don't worry, I've got plenty more strategies in this video, so let's get into the next ways of making money online. Now, one of the next best ways to make money online as a teenager is through Instagram. In particular, Instagram theme pages. Instagram theme pages are pages on Instagram which focus on one particular topic or niche, and they build a following through reposting other people's content. After building a page and creating a following around your content, whether it's food videos, skateboarding, business advice, anything that it could possibly be, you can make money from this Instagram page by selling shoutouts. For example, you might follow a meme page on Instagram, and every now and then you might see a video on their page which is an ad. It might be promoting another account, promoting a product, promoting anything, and the reason those pages even post those promotions in the first place is because they're getting paid to do so. If you build up a following on your Instagram page of 20,000 people, 30,000, 50,000, you can make anywhere from $20 to $50 by posting an ad on your page. And yes, I'm aware that that doesn't sound like much, but with Instagram theme pages, as your followers grow, so does the shout out price. So you may start by making only $20 to $50 per shout out that you post on your page, but as your followers grow over time, so does this price, and you can start making in the hundreds of dollars per shout out. Now, if you think that you want to try this out for yourself, here's exactly what I would do. Firstly, pick a topic or niche that your Instagram account is going to be based around. Something like makeup or beauty usually works quite well because that audience is just so big. Then pick a name for the page, preferably something easy to remember, something like @makeuptips, instead of something like @makeup.tips_. Now after this, you want to find pages similar to yours in the same topic or niche that are doing really well. Really study their page and figure out exactly what posts work the best for them, and then take those posts and repost them on your page with credit. Basically, you are trying to have an Instagram feed full of the best possible content in that niche, so that when people find your account, they have no reason not to follow because the content is just really good. You can get people to actually view your Instagram profile by seeing who's liking all the posts on pages similar to yours, and then going through that list of likes and following every single person. That way, the people who are already interested in that topic will see your account because you've followed them, and when they check out your account and see what you're posting, they can see that your content is really good and they will hopefully follow you back, which is a great way to build up some initial traction onto the Instagram page and then hopefully get promoted by Instagram on the Explore page, which is when your Instagram page can start to really blow up. I will leave a link in the description to an Instagram video which covers this entire strategy in depth, but for now, let's move on to the next way to make money online. Oh, your breath stinks. Okay, now this business is the one that completely changed the game for me. I went from having a few $100s in my bank account to making thousands of dollars consistently, and for the last 3 years, this business has been a huge contributor in how I make money. This is Shopify dropshipping. Now don't click away, I'm not selling a course, I don't have a Lamborghini, but I have been dropshipping for a very long time, and I'm now going to teach you how you can do this successfully. Now if you aren't aware, dropshipping is the business model where you build an online store and sell products from China on your store. You get customers through running ads on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and when someone purchases one of your products, the product is ordered from the factory in China straight to the front door of the customer, so you don't have to worry about any of the shipping. If a product is $10 from the factory, we can sell this on our website for $30, leaving us with $20 in profit every time someone buys that from us. Now I've made numerous full-blown dropshipping tutorials on this channel which explain the business in depth, but I'm going to quickly run through this strategy now so I can teach you how to make profit. And for the skeptics, I am not a fraud. I'll put up some results from my own stores and from people I've helped over on Instagram, so you can be rest assured that this is real. But this strategy is simple. We need to sell a product in the market which is currently being sold well by competitors. We know that if competitors are making money by dropshipping this product, then we can do the same. So I personally find my products by looking at what other people are selling. So here's how you can do that. Firstly, find a product which is currently doing well in the market through looking for ads on your Facebook and Instagram newsfeed. You know that if you are seeing ads for a dropshipping product on your newsfeed, then that product is obviously making profit because they wouldn't be running any ads if they were losing money. Look for the ads with the most likes, comments, and views, and make sure the ad is still getting engagement on a daily basis. Then, head over to the Facebook ad library and search the name of the Facebook page which you just saw advertising that product. Within this, you can see all the different Facebook ads which that page is running, and you want to make sure they are running a lot of ads for that product. If the page is running a lot of ads, it's practically guaranteed that they are making profit, because like I just said, if they were losing money, they wouldn't keep running all these ads. Now, head over to AliExpress and find the product. You can do this by just searching what the product is in the search bar. Now, open a Shopify store using their 14-day free trial and begin building the website. I will be releasing a full Shopify store building tutorial very soon on this channel, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. But when building the store, make sure you're thinking about it in the eyes of a customer. customer. Have quality product photos, a good description that has images and GIFs in it, and just a professional page overall. You can use the app Aberlo to link the AliExpress product to your Shopify store so that the shipping process is as automated as possible. When you're designing your store, think to yourself, would I buy from this website? If the answer is yes, it's probably good enough. Now once that is done, you can start running ads. You can create a video ad by putting together clips from YouTube or competitors' video ads or whatever you want to do, and you can just use a basic online video editing software to put all these clips together if you don't have anything professional. But for the best success when using a video ad, I like to use a dropshipping video ad service like Bands Off Ads. With this, you can just send them the link to your AliExpress product page and they'll get all the clips together and edit it really professionally and then send it back to you. If you don't know how to edit videos and want to make sure that your video ad is really good, I definitely recommend using something like that. I don't mean to sound like a fake guru here, but I do have a discount code in the description if you decide you want to use Bands Off Ads. But whether you use a video ad service or make it yourself, you can start running Facebook ads after you get your ad. In the beginning, I like to launch 5 ad sets, all with one main interest each, which relates to the product. So if I was running that table tennis net product, I might use single interests like sports, table tennis, gaming, anything like that, you get the point. But you can run the ads at whatever budget suits you. I personally like to do $10 per ad set per day, so if you're running 5 ad sets at $10 per day, that means you'll be spending $50 per day on ads. Now if everything I'm saying makes no sense whatsoever, don't worry, I was also super confused by Facebook ads in the beginning, but if you go out there and try it for yourself, I can guarantee it will become a lot more clear, so just get out and try it. And that is literally it. Like I said, I go much deeper into this business in my other tutorials on the channel, but this basic strategy is the same one that I've been using for years with great success. In my opinion, this is the best online business to start and is a great way to make money online as a teenager. Now, if you have any questions about anything I talked about in this video, go ahead and send me a DM over on Instagram at ecombaxter because I reply to every single DM which I receive over there. Seriously. Now, if you took something away from this video, consider subscribing and hitting the like button because it really does help out a small channel like mine. But with that being said, that's all from me, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.